Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the specs of the Dyson DTEK Slim Absolute with the Dyson v12 DTEK Slim and what are the main differences. So when we're going to look here on most of the things, the weight, the runtime, the charge time, the suction power, like everything is the same. Also in dustbin volume, the battery type. The only thing that you're going to find that is like different is the filtration. You're going to have for the Dyson v12, you're going to have whole machine HEPA filtration, and with Dyson v12 DTEK Slim you're gonna have whole machine filtration. So here you're gonna have it better, but this is the comment that I read. Like when you're gonna look here on the cleaner head, tool accessories, like everything is the same. The color of course is you have the gold here, and this is something I read on Reddit. So a little late here, but I had the same question to find an answer. They decided to chat the Dyson expert on the website. Then I asked if any additional maintenance was needed for HEPA filter, and he said you need to rinse wash once more, and that is not different for one without the HEPA. Dyson has two, and he said Dyson has too many versions of everything, haha. So the difference is better filter and somehow the same price. So the other difference is that it's gold with a filter. Now, so as you can see right here, you can have the gold color, and then you're gonna have the HEPA filter, and that's it. So I just want to make this quick video for you if you're deciding between these two. But if you don't really mind the HEPA filter, I mean, like, and you're gonna find like Dyson v12 for a good price, or even you really like gold, you can go with the Absolute. But other than that, this is like old tile. So thank you very much for watching. Hope I gave a little bit of value with this video, and have a great day and goodbye.